Artificial intelligence models generate fluent, highly persuasive text. But in high-stakes enterprise environments, that fluency hides a critical lack of structural control. Models routinely drift away from the core task. They bury internal contradictions inside polished language, and they generate plausible claims while skipping the required proof. The energetic paradigm, or EP, functions as a structural operating system. It converts fluent AI outputs into auditable work by enforcing the specific rules of logic and proof that raw generation lacks. When the consequences of failure are high, unverified fluency is an operational liability. To be safely deployed, AI must execute under strict, reliable structure. To build that structure, EP changes the unit of analysis. Instead of judging a final block of text, EP evaluates the step-by-step process used to create it. This diagram illustrates the shift, replacing uncontrolled black box generation with an explicit flowchart. Work moves through defined stages: object, boundary, state, and constraints. At these checkpoints, the system intercepts logical failures, routing unsupported claims backward for correction. Evaluating the process instead of the output transforms unpredictable generation into correctable, auditable engineering. This grid maps the engine, a 20-function stack across 6 operational domains, acting as strict quality gates. Boundary formation filters irrelevant data out of the system, while proof discipline blocks persuasive claims from passing without verified evidence. This mechanical stack ensures that messy, ambiguous inputs are consistently converted into rigorous, repeatable workflows. Because uncontrolled AI generation is expensive, correcting it creates a high-value commercial opportunity centered on risk mitigation. This diagram shows the logic behind the framework. The first pillar is demand, driven by the costs of AI failure. The second is execution, proven by the system's ability to produce inspectable, structurally sound work under pressure. The third pillar is scalability. Because the functions address structural failures rather than industry-specific content, these capabilities integrate directly into agent policies, governance standards, and enterprise workflows across any sector. This domain-agnostic approach allows the framework to scale, addressing the shared structural failures that make uncontrolled AI deployment a risk for any enterprise. Baseline AI models are fast and powerful, but ultimately uncontrolled. The EP-enabled standard requires that work be structured, auditable, correctable, and reliable. The energetic paradigm functions as an architectural control layer. It converts fluent generation into inspectable, correctable, and scalable execution.